Now the next terminology is liability. Liability means it refers to that amount which owes to outsiders. It refers to that amount which the firm owes to outsiders, which the firm will pay to outsider. When the firm will pay to the outsider, when the firm purchase goods on credit, take any loan from the bank, then firm has to pay that amount to the outsider. Whatever the amount which the firm is liable to pay in future is the liability of the firm. Suppose the firm purchased goods on credit from Sohan. Firm purchased goods, firm means business purchased goods on credit from Sohan, rupees 25,000. Firm purchased goods of rupees 25,000 of rupees 25,000 on credit from Sohan. It means firm has taken goods from the Sohan. In return, firm has to pay 25,000 to Sohan in future. So owes to outsider, whatever the amount owes to outsider, firm is liable to pay to the outsider is known as liability. So firm is liable to pay rupees 25,000 to Sohan. So it's a liability. If the bank has taken any loan taken from IDBI, rupees 2 lakhs. So this loan which is taken by the firm of rupees 2 lakhs from IDBI, the firm is liable to pay that amount of loan to IDBI in future. So loan from bank is our liability. Similarly, any services we have availed, but amount is not yet paid, then this becomes the liability. Suppose any employee who has given his services to the business and the salary of the previous month is not yet given to him or her. So that salary, which is the expense, become the liability as well of the business, because business has to pay that salary or wages to that employee who has given his services, but the amount of the salary is not given by the firm to that employee. It's the liability of the business. It becomes the liability of the business. So if the business is liable to pay any amount to the outsider, it becomes the liability. The liabilities can be classified internal liability and external liability. The amount which is liable to pay to the outsider is external liability, and amount which is paid to the internal, for instance the proprietor, owner of the business, then it's an internal liability. Capital is internal liability, external liability and internal liability. External and internal. The liabilities may be classified, as external liability and internal liabilities. External liability means the amount which is paid to outsider. For instance, supplier of goods. Supplier of goods on credit. They are external liability. Supplier, external liability. Loan taken from bank loan. External liability. Any amount due but not yet paid, outstanding expenses, outstanding expenses which is due but not yet paid. For instance, outstanding wages. The wages will be paid to the employee from whom we have taken the services. That employee has given his or her services to the business, but the salary or wages is not given to them. So it's a due. So it's an external liability. Internal liability, it is related to the owner of the business, owner's capital. It is an internal liability. Business is not going to pay to the outsiders. Business will pay this amount to the proprietor of the business. Then it is called internal liabilities. Now liability can also be classified as long-term liabilities and current liabilities means this also be classified as long-term liabilities, or you can say short-term liabilities. Long-term liability means if the amount will be paid after 12 months, then it's a long-term liabilities. And if the amount will be paid within a year, within a 12 months, then it's a short-term liability. So on the basis of period, the liability is classified long-term or current, means short-term liability. Long-term means if amount will be paid after 12 months, then it's a long-term. And if the amount will be paid within the 12 months, then it's a short-term liabilities. For instance, long-term liabilities, debenture issued by the company, debenture is long-term liability. Bank loan, loan taken from bank, if it is paid after 10 years or in installment, so the amount which is due and will be paid after 1 year is your long-term liabilities, and the amount which is paid within a year is short-term liabilities. For instance, creditors, bills payable, these are your short-term liabilities. Okay.